Wala pa sa radar ni Jay Cuenca ang kasal. Alam niyang marami pang gustong gawin ng girlfriend na si Chi Filomeno. Mas abala ang aktor sa mga plano niya sa kanyang career. Plans are not yet on the radar. Obviously, parang my girlfriend, she still has a lot of dreams. Parang, kumbaga, marami pa siyang gustong gawin and I respect that. Katwiran ng aktor nang makausap namin sa Spotlight Press Con na binanap sa Coffee Project Will Tower, Quezon City, kung saan masaya niyang binahagi ang mga updates tungkol sa showbiz career niya. But to be honest with you, parang I just don't want to see it kasi I already said this before. I don't want to be so repetitive about it, but if I was, qualities that I'm looking for in a wife, I would say Chi has all of them. But to say we're going to get married sometime soon, that's a bit of a farce. Dagdag niyang paliwanag. Kasalukuyang napapanood si Jake sa sikat na action drama series na FPJ's Batang Quiapo. At ibinahagi niya kung paano niya nabibigyang buhay ang kanyang karakter. Sabi niya, I believe when you're an actor, it's a lot easier when you make a transformation. Once you change your body, whether it's a weight loss or a weight gain, certainly everything else follows. You feel different and then you will feel you're on your character. Inamin din ni Jake na kahit matagal na siya sa industriya, pakiramdam niya ay nagsisimula pa nang siya. I think what I realize about acting in general is that it takes 20 or 30 years to figure out acting. I am on my 23 years now and I feel I just got started. I finally get it now. Ibinahagi rin ng aktor na si Chi ang isa sa mga nagbigay ng idea sa trending niyang Miguelito dance mula sa FPJ's Batang Quiapo. Ani niya, I'm not really a dancer pero naalala ko si Chi when we're hanging out. She kept doing this TikTok and ginawa ko siya in the show. Literally in just 2 days, there's 70,000 people doing the dance and I have to thank Chi for that. Kahit marami ng bagay na na-achieve ni Jake sa showbiz, naniniwala si Jake na marami pa siyang pwedeng gawin. Nabanggit niya ang kagustuhan niyang bumalik sa teatro. Definitely, after these 2 projects, I would like to do a film. But I think what I'd like to do immediately after this is I have to do theater again. After you do big projects like these, parang you want to do something like theater to ground you, and it helps me to reset, sabi niya. Para sa isang katulad ni Jake, nananatiling bukas ang aktor sa iba't ibang oportunidad ng pag-acting. Excited pa rin siya sa mga darating pa, senyales na wala pa siyang balak mag-lie low sa kanyang career.